Okay, let's see how easy it is to get the boat off the roof. I'm just going to lift the front of the boat. I've got some rollers on my roof racks, and I'm just going to roll the boat off slowly. Place it on the ground. Okay, we're just going to get under, lift the boat up to vertical, switch around. So at any one time, I'm not lifting the full weight of the boat, just a fraction of it. So once the boat's on the ground, just to stay on the theme of one person moving it about, we can have these Sea-Tug kayak wheels, this trolley, which we'll sell from our website. And we'll just place that there, lift the boat onto them. You can see the process of putting the wheels on. It takes all of about 20 seconds. Just strap those up. And now the boat's about as easy to carry as a handbag. Just lift that up, there's almost no weight there at all, and off we go. Okay, now here's the way we're going to put it back on. So we've just reversed the process. So I've brought it back in, taken the wheels off from under the boat, and we're just going to run the whole thing in reverse, lift the boat up, get it to vertical, rest it on my rollers, and back on she goes. Now it's just a matter of putting the straps on and you're back home.